This is Chemicalguys dog hair brush. Works really good. It's really effective. A lot of people don't stand by it. Well, I do. I think it works wonders. What you want to do when you're using this is you want to, you know what I'm saying, brush the hair into like a pile, and then just either you can pick it up with your hand, or you can vacuum it. But once you get it loose from the fibers, you're good. You're golden. You're golden, you know, because you're gonna be able to suck it up in the vacuum really easily, and that's how that's done. Get the side over here. See what's under this neck. See that? Get all this. You want this to look pristine. Charge a little bit more money for this type of service too as well. I'm gonna move the seats up. See all this dog hair. Just get all up in there, get all that. Man, it's probably about time for me to get another brush. The newer the brush is, the better, the more effective it works. Another good thing to have is what do you call it? A compressor, air compressor. Loosen all these dog hairs right up out of the fibers of the carpet. But once you, like I said, once you loosen them up and get them out of the fibers, you're good.